Have you ever wanted to grow your own cut flowers? Welcome to the world of cut flower gardening, a delightful journey that brings the beauty of blossoms right to your doorstep. Imagine the joy of cultivating your own blooms. Imagine having a garden filled with flowers that you can cut and display in your home at any time. The first step to growing your own cut flowers is choosing the right blooms. Climate and soil type are key factors to consider. Some flowers, like roses, are versatile and can thrive in various conditions. Tulips, on the other hand, need a cooler climate, while daisies require full sun and well-draining soil. Your local garden center can provide advice tailored to your area. Opt for a mix of blooms for a vibrant display. Remember, your choice of flowers can either make or break your cut flower garden. Once you've chosen your flowers, it's time to prepare your garden and plant your seeds. The success of your blossoming beauties largely depends on the groundwork. Start by enriching the soil with compost or organic matter. The right location is key. Opt for a spot that best suits your flower's sunlight needs. When it's time to sow, each flower has its unique depth requirement. Remember, some seeds require light to germinate, so they should only be lightly covered. Proper preparation and planting are crucial for your flowers to thrive. Now that your seeds are planted, you need to provide them with the best possible care. Regular watering is key, but avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. For the healthiest growth, feed your plants with a balanced fertilizer about once a month. And don't forget to prune. Removing spent blooms encourages more flowers to grow. Regularly check for signs of disease or pests and address them promptly. With the right care, your flowers will bloom beautifully, ready for cutting and displaying. Growing your own cut flowers can be a rewarding and fulfilling hobby. From selecting your blooms, readying the soil, planting, to nurturing your garden, each step brings its own joy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.